If you ever thought of starting a new YouTube channel, but you are not sure how exactly to start a YouTube channel, please do watch this step-by-step tutorial on how to start your YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube channel, but you've been struggling on how to upload YouTube videos, that video is coming right after this one. But this one is for beginners who want to start a new YouTube channel. So of course, to start a new YouTube channel on YouTube, you need a Gmail account. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So let's go to my screen recorder so I can show you how to create a new YouTube channel. So what we are going to do now is start a new YouTube channel. And in order to start a YouTube channel, of course, you're going to go to your Chrome or Google search, and then of course, because you need a Google account, so we just say G or Google account, just to say Gmail account in this situation, and then you go to Gmail create a Gmail account. That's where we'll go, create a Gmail account. And of course, we go to where it says create an account. You click on that. And then, of course, because I want to start a whole new YouTube channel, I don't necessarily need to put my real names, but the name of my channel. So, for example, let's say I want to create my YouTube channel name to be, let's say, True Crime Entertainment. Okay, let's just say True Crime, and then under last name we say entertainment. Okay, so of course, see what's going to happen. And then you put your date of birth. Mine is July 14th, 19. Okay, I'm not going to give an accurate birthday because this is just a mock. Let's say 1981. All right. Okay, I forgot to say gender. Of course, I'm male. Done. And then we go next. And then, of course, now I have an option of choosing these names. We have entertainment true crime at gmail.com or true crime entertainment at gmail.com. Of course, I want true crime entertainment at gmail.com. And then the password, let's say Pressy, and then we say press. We are just creating a YouTube channel tutorial here. And then, of course, you put in your cell phone number. Okay. And then you go to privacy terms. Of course, you have to agree to that. Of course, you have to put your photos. I want to go to my device and go to gallery. Let's choose this baby. Okay. Then I just adjust it a little bit, like Baron. All of this is just mock-up, guys. So there you go. Am I satisfied with this picture? I believe I am. Save the profile picture. Then we save the profile picture. And the profile picture updated. Cool. Now we have our YouTube. Okay, now we go to our YouTube app. We're supposed to see our case. It's no true crime entertainment at gmail.com. If I remember, the password is press, and then we go next. I don't have the two-step verification. It's very important that you set up the two-step verification so that you protect your YouTube channel. Very important that you do that. I think even YouTube will want you to add two-step verification. Oh yeah, now we have our new channel right here, as you can see. Now, what do we want? So here, as you can see, says your videos. We don't have videos because it's a new channel, right? However, because I do have some videos in my gallery, you can even shoot a shorts on this one. Let me turn around the camera this way, and then we will shoot a shorts. Hello, I know I look crusty. It is 2:05 a.m. in the morning. So then let's create a 15-second long short. We are creating a 15-second long short. We just started a new YouTube channel to demonstrate to YouTubers how to YouTube channel the way to 15 seconds done. All right. So now we've created a 15-second long short because we just started a new YouTube channel to the new YouTubers how to create a YouTube channel the way to 15 seconds done. We are just okay. Then you press next. Now we are publishing the shorts on our new YouTube channel. As you can see right there, we can caption it. How do we caption it? Sample of how to post. Oh, come on. How to post a YouTube video. Hashtag shorts. Okay, and then we say upload. Oh, the upload, yeah, upload the shorts. Now it is uploaded. Okay, and now we can view it by clicking on the video. We are just creating a 15-second long short because we just started a new YouTube channel to demonstrate to the new YouTubers how to create a YouTube channel the way to 15 seconds done. We are just creating. Now, okay, that is your shorts and your first video on the new channel. As you can see, it is now listed as a shorts, but it is also your first video. So of course, all the other features that are here, you can play around with them and see how you can enhance your YouTube channel. So as a beginner, you now have a new YouTube channel and we call it True Crime Entertainment. I'm just showing you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, this will be, of course, the new homepage of our new YouTube channel. They are going to show us all these videos that we never asked for. Anyways, if we like anything here, then we can click on it and then the algorithm will learn what exactly that we are interested in so that it will start feeding us the particular content. So none of this that is here is my interest, so I won't. However, though, in order for the algorithm to know what I like, I will go to, let me show you the search bar right here on top. You go to YouTube search. Anytime you create a video using your phone, you can go down here, the plus sign at the bottom. You just click the plus. If you want a video, you post a video. I have all these videos on my gallery to show you. If shorts, then you can create a 15-second long short, but you can still make it a 60-second long. When I go live, this is where you go to go live. However, you will need 50 subscribers to go live on your phone. As you can see, try creating more shorts to reach 50 subscribers and unlock live streaming. So you need 50 subscribers to go live. If you want a community post, you have to verify your channel. Okay, unlock more on YouTube to create posts, to complete a quick one-time verification. Unlock more on YouTube. Let's verify and see, because we still have to verify this baby. So as you can see, it says use video verification. Approval time, usually up to 1 day, will help you create a 30-second video of yourself. Use your valid ID or build a channel history. As you can see, if you use your valid ID, approval time, usually up to 1 day. Take a photo of your valid ID, etc., and so on. Anyways, you still have to do this process whether you like it or not, so that you are able to upload videos, especially for thumbnails and all of that stuff. All right, let's go back there. So that's for posts and for thumbnails as well. You have to verify. So I think that is it, guys, with how to start your own new YouTube channel. Okay, now that we have created a whole new YouTube channel, now it is up to you what you are going to do with that channel. Of course, is to upload videos of your choice. Remember, in order for you to grow on YouTube, you need to choose a niche, because YouTube, it is a search engine. Therefore, people go onto YouTube to search for specific topics. Find out what people are searching for and then turn that into your niche. So other than that, I wish you all the best with your new YouTube journey as a beginner YouTuber.